we have given here the third degree polynomial 6x cubed 60x cubed minus 89x square plus 41x minus 6 equals to 0, and now we have to check for x equals to 1 divided by 3. So for this we have to use synthetic division. So write it in the synthetic division form. So this will be minus 89, 41, and then this will be minus 6. And now this is 1 divided by 3 and we have to write is 60. So now this will be 20 only, and we left with this will be 69, negative 69, and now multiply this. So this will be 20 and now 2, and now this will be 3, so that means only 23, and now we left with only, so we left with 18, and now 18 is multiplied with 1 divided by 3, so this will be 6, and we left with 0. If the remainder is 0, that